Hey everyone, in this video, let's find out how you can cancel your subscription to Emergent AI. In order to do so, here we are at app.emergent.sh, and what we're looking for can be found up at the top right hand corner. You'll see your profile icon if we click on that. It's going to bring us to this page here. We want to find account settings. Click on that. That's going to bring us to our account settings. And here you should see the option to cancel your subscription. You might need to click on this button here, but we're on the free plan right now. If you have the subscription, then this is where you're going to want to come to cancel that. If for some reason you are having a hard time, if you come to this page, you'll see that there is a contact us option here. So if you're having a hard time canceling, you can always contact them directly. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe, and don't forget to set your notifications for more helpful tips. Also, if you take a look in the description, you'll find a link to our link tree. There you'll find our socials and our top AI recommendations, including Sintra. Sintra is a fantastic business strategy tool that gets to know you and your business, offering tailored insights to help you succeed. Check out our YouTube playlist all about Sintra and use our referral code to get 60% off your first month subscription. Finally, if you're interested in an online bank, check out Simply Financial. Use our referral code and you will get $50 to open up an account. And if you refer your friends and family, you can get $125 per referral. It's a great deal. Can personally vouch for it. Check to see if it's available in your area.